up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, I, Mr. Amey Sir, art teacher in secondary section, Thakur Vidya Mandir High School. Today, I am going to explain you geometrical design. Students, today we are going to learn how to do geometrical design in square. For this, we are going to take square of 20 centimeter. For this design, we are going to take elements like leaves, flowers and curved line. For this design, we are going to take primary color scheme and we are going to color this design in any medium. For example, watercolor, poster color, pencil color or crayons. Students, let's start with the design. First, we are going to draw 20 centimeter square exactly in the center of the drawing paper. Students, let's start with the design. Before we start the design, I would like to suggest you that practice some flowers and leaf shapes on different drawing paper. After practicing these shapes, choose any one flower and any one leaf from that and take it for the final design. Students, before we start with the drawing of the design, I would like to explain you some basic rules of design. For example, repetition, overlapping and contrast. Repetition means to draw same shape again and again. Contrast means to draw same shape in a big, medium and small size. Overlapping means to draw one shape on another shape. These are the three basic rules of design. Now let's start with the drawing. Student, we'll start with the very rough drawing of the design. When we draw rough drawing of the design, you have to take care that drawing should be very light. Don't do dark drawing. When you draw, take care that you are using whole square as a design. Students, after completing rough drawing, let's move towards final drawing. In final drawing, you are going to give proper shape to the flowers, leaves and line. You are going to add detailing to the shapes. Students, let's start with coloring. Before you start coloring, I would like to give you one tip. If you see this slide, you will find there is a marking of color in each shape. If you do this kind of marking before you start coloring, it will help you to finish your design without any confusion. In this design, you have different options for coloring. For example, plain coloring, shading and mosaic. Also, you can use medium like watercolor, poster color, pencil color or crayons. Students, let's start with the red color. If you see in this slide, I started with the red color and I am giving red color in each shape which I mark as a red color. While coloring, I am trying to do proper shading and smooth coloring. If After finishing the red color, let's start with the yellow color. Follow all the instruction which was given during the red color for coloring. For example, smooth coloring, shading and finishing. Here I use dark yellow near the border of the shape and light yellow in the middle of the shape. Students, let's start with the blue color. You have to follow same process which I explained for yellow and red color. Here in blue color I use dark blue near the border of the shape and light blue in the middle of the shape. Students, once you finish with all the colors, please recheck your design. Check finishing, shading and detailing again. If you feel something is missing, add it. For example, light tone, dark tone, finishing. Students, I hope you understand and enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.